When it comes to home security, Clearwater homeowners understand the importance of ensuring that their homes are safe, secure, and properly protected against the elements. While many focus on locks, alarms, and cameras to enhance security, windows also play a crucial role in keeping your home safe. Among the various types of windows available, slider windows offer a unique combination of convenience, style, and security. Slider windows, known for their smooth, horizontal sliding motion, are a popular choice in many homes. They allow homeowners to enjoy natural light and fresh air while maintaining an efficient, space-saving design. However, as with any window type, it's important to understand their impact on your home's security. In this article, we'll explore how slider windows affect home security in Clearwater and what you can do to maximize their effectiveness. Ease of access. A double-edged sword. One of the primary features of slider windows is their ease of use. These windows operate by sliding horizontally along a track, making them simple to open and close, even for children or elderly individuals. However, this feature can also be a security concern if not properly secured. Unlike double-hung windows, which lock tightly at the top and bottom, slider windows typically lock at a single point in the middle or side of the frame. If the lock is weak or not engaged properly, the window could potentially be pried open by intruders. In Clearwater, where residential break-ins are unfortunately not uncommon, this easy access could be exploited by thieves. Solution. To improve the security of slider windows, ensure they are equipped with high-quality, reinforced locks. Consider installing secondary security locks, which make it more difficult for someone to force the window open. Additionally, you can use window security bars or metal grills as an added layer of protection, especially for ground floor windows. Vulnerability to forced entry. Since slider windows slide along a track, they can be more vulnerable to forced entry than other types of windows. If the tracks are not properly maintained or are made from weak materials, an intruder may be able to break the window or lift the window out of its track entirely. If you have older slider windows with worn-out tracks or frames, these may be easier for burglars to tamper with. While modern slider windows are made from durable materials and feature strong, reinforced locks, older versions may not provide the same level of protection. Solution. Make sure your slider windows are in good condition and that their tracks are clean and free of debris. Consider upgrading to hurricane-rated slider windows, which offer added security and protection from not only weather-related damage but also potential break-ins. These windows feature impact-resistant glass and stronger locking mechanisms, making them more difficult to breach. Visibility and privacy concerns. Slider windows are often large and provide expansive views, which can be both an advantage and a potential security risk. On one hand, they allow natural light to flood your home and offer clear views of the outside. However, the larger the window, the more visible the interior of your home becomes. This can be problematic for privacy and security, especially if your home is located in a busy neighborhood or near a road. Solution. To combat this issue, you can add privacy-enhancing elements to your slider windows. Consider using window film, blinds, or curtains to obscure the view into your home. Not only will this prevent intruders from easily surveying your interior, but it will also help protect your privacy. Additionally, frosted glass or tinted windows can be a great option for those who want to enjoy natural light while also maintaining some degree of privacy. Tinted windows also add an extra layer of UV protection, which can help prevent your furniture and floors from fading due to prolonged exposure to the sun. Natural light and visibility for surveillance. One of the key benefits of slider windows is that they allow ample natural light into your home, creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere. This can be an advantage when it comes to surveillance. Because slider windows provide clear, unobstructed views, it's easier to spot any suspicious activity outside your home. The increased visibility also allows you to see who is at your door or window from the inside, adding an extra level of security. Solution: use your slider windows strategically by positioning furniture or decor items that don't obstruct the view, allowing for better visibility from inside. You can also complement your windows with security cameras or motion sensors that can alert you to any unusual activity around your home. Enhancing security with smart technology. Smart home technology is revolutionizing home security, and it can be easily integrated with your slider windows. Many modern slider windows are now available with smart locks that allow you to lock and unlock your windows remotely using your smartphone. This is a great option for homeowners who want to double-check that all windows are secure when they are not at home. In addition, you can install window sensors that alert you if the window is opened or tampered with, providing real-time notifications to your phone. Combining these smart features with traditional security measures like locks and window bars can significantly improve the overall security of your slider windows. Hurricane resistance and storm protection. In Clearwater, where hurricanes and tropical storms are a real concern, slider windows can be vulnerable to storm damage if not properly reinforced. Strong winds and flying debris can break glass and compromise the security of your home. Solution: to protect your home from hurricane damage, consider investing in impact-resistant slider windows. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, keeping your home secure during stormy weather. They also help protect against break-ins, making them a smart investment for homeowners in areas like Clearwater. Conclusion: strengthening home security with slider windows in Clearwater. Slider windows can be a fantastic addition to your Clearwater home, offering natural light, beautiful views, and enhanced ventilation. However, they do present some security challenges that need to be addressed. By ensuring that your windows are properly maintained, upgrading to modern, impact-resistant versions, and integrating smart security features, you can enjoy the benefits of slider windows while keeping your home safe and secure. With the right precautions and improvements, your slider windows can continue to provide comfort, light, and security for many years to come.